Recently, some bizarre cryptocurrency market updates were made public. It can be found in today's video, which may startle you. Shiba Inu and other digital assets might be at the start of a significant bull run. Learn more about it in the video of today. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Currently, Shiba Inu has performed mostly backwards throughout October. Shiba Inu has had modest growth over the last 10 months, giving current investors little profits. The dog-themed token has not been able to shed its fifth zero despite the introduction of the Shiba Inu network in August, and the launching of Shiba Inu had no influence on the price of Shiba as the initial excitement subsided. Is Shiba Inu likely to have a reversal during the next 2 weeks, which might result in significant returns for investors by the end of October? Let's look at how much money Shiba Inu may make by the end of October 2023. By October, which is more than 2 weeks away, might Shiba Inu provide double-digit returns? Experts at Changelly, in leading on-chain metrics and pricing forecasting, anticipate that Shiba may do this in the next 2 weeks. By the end of October 2023, their price forecasts indicate that Shiba Inu may briefly see a boom that is close to a 10% increase. By the end of October, this would equate to a roughly 9.3% return on investment, meaning that an investment of $1,000 made today could possibly rise to $1,090 if Changelly's estimate comes true. It's important to remember that there are no assurances that Shiba will have a 10% increase in the next 2 weeks. Markets for cryptocurrencies may cause investors to suffer substantial losses due to their extreme volatility. Furthermore, the stability of the market may be impacted by the continuing war between Israel and Palestine. It is advised to do extensive study before thinking about applying to Shib at this time. However, let's look into Shiba Inu and cryptocurrency price predictions on a bigger stage. The recent increase in the price of Bitcoin, brought on by a fictitious news story concerning the approval of a spot ETF, was discussed by Larry Fink, CEO of BlackRock. He cited this instance as evidence of the enormous unmet demand for cryptocurrency. While refusing to go into detail about his company's upcoming spot Bitcoin ETF application, Fink emphasized that he had been hearing from customers all around the globe who expressed a rising interest for cryptocurrencies. Some of this rally goes much beyond the rumor Fink mentioned in a Fox Business appearance. Given the present-day global issues, such as the ongoing global strife, I think that today's rise is being driven by a flight to quality. Depending on one's viewpoint, I believe that more individuals are looking for safety and assets that are seen as secure, whether it be in treasuries, gold, or cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies, in my opinion, will serve as a safe haven in such circumstances. Bitcoin's cost soared to over $30,000. $1,000 earlier in the day as a result of a false article from Cointelegraph that said that the Securities and Exchange Commission had approved the proposed BlackRock ETF. Following the removal of the post, Cointelegraph apologized for disseminating false information. The biggest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, Bitcoin, lost some of its gains once the fake news was exposed, although it still retained part of its gains. In the previous day, it increased by 4.8%, according to Cointelegraph. It increased by 7.4% over the preceding month and by a remarkable 47.4% over the previous year, partly due to expectations for a spot ETF. Keep watching this video because I'll shortly explain how Shiba Inus are connected to all of it. Fink has publicly backed Bitcoin in recent months, often referring to it as a type of digital gold. Additional processes to decide the fate of proposed spot Bitcoin ETFs from well-known asset management companies, including BlackRock, Invesco, Valkyrie, and Fidelity, have just been made public by the SEC. This suggests more delays, which would lengthen the review procedures by at least 1 more month. The SEC emphasized that their official sources should be the main source for correct information regarding their actions, while Fink emphasized the need of exercising caution when using material obtained from the internet. Returning to Bitcoin and digital gold, however, I want to point out something really intriguing. Recent gold price growth of 3.5% on a single Friday was nothing short of amazing. Many were shocked by the enormous $444 billion rise in this precious metal's market value as a consequence of it. The similarity to Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency that has captivated the interest of investors worldwide, only serves to increase the intrigue around this spike. The fact that $444 billion makes up over 85% of Bitcoin's market capitalization is evidence of the special place that Bitcoin occupies in the financial industry. Bitcoin is still in the early phases of its development, despite its rapid rise in recent years. This comparison demonstrates the enormous potential that Bitcoin still has. Not only has Bitcoin's spectacular ascent upended the conventional financial system, but it has also ushered in a new age of digital currencies. Those seeking financial independence and innovation are drawn to it because of its decentralized and global character. Despite the huge market capitalization of Bitcoin, it is dwarfed by the price of conventional assets like gold. The early stages of Bitcoin's development are a mirror of its continued path to widespread adoption. It is important to remember that gold has been a store of value for millennia, while Bitcoin was developed little over 10 years ago. The recent increase in gold's market cap and its comparison to Bitcoin's worth serve as a reminder of the extraordinary path that cryptocurrencies are on, given that Bitcoin has already carved off a sizable share of the market cap. Bitcoin is still in its infancy as a digital currency and a store of wealth, but it has enormous potential. It has the potential to further upend established financial systems as it develops and gains adoption. Investors must, however, take caution when entering this market and be aware of the dangers and possibilities it poses. Intriguing development in the financial industry's continual transformation is the blending of digital and conventional assets. Shiba Inu investors need to know this information for two very important reasons. First and foremost, it's important to understand that the price patterns of large cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are often strongly associated with altcoins like Shiba Inu. This is partly because Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency and serves as a leading indicator for the whole market. When Bitcoin's price changes significantly, it often has an impact on the whole cryptocurrency market, including alternative currencies like Shiba Inu. This connection is based on trade dynamics, investment trends, and market sentiment. Second, the contrast between Bitcoin and gold emphasizes how new the cryptocurrency industry is. Like many other alternative currencies, Shiba Inu is still in its infancy in terms of development and acceptance. Understanding Bitcoin's unique position, which has allowed it to quickly amass a sizable percentage of the global market value, highlights the potential for development and change in the larger cryptocurrency ecosystem. Unexpectedly, a mystery SHIB whale invested $500,000 into their holdings of Shiba Inu tokens, aligning their portfolio with a very lucky number. For fans and investors, the last 24 hours have been an exhilarating roller coaster in the constantly shifting world of cryptocurrencies. The market recently saw waves of expectation and excitement, with crypto whales taking center stage and the well-known Shiba Inu token Shib not being excluded. As is common in the crypto realm, a notable Shib holder abruptly moved Shib tokens worth $500,000 from another unknown wallet to their wallets. The transfer size, which was significant, wasn't what caught people's attention. Rather, it was the fact that the receiving address now has Shiba Inu tokens worth $777,000 at the current Shib price, a number that evokes luck in a similar way to the number 7. By the way, you just need to amass 110 billion Shiba Inu tokens to win the Shib jackpot for yourself. In the days to ahead, the repercussions of this most recent upheaval in the cryptocurrency market are anticipated to cause massive Shib transfers and other cryptocurrencies to move between exchanges, secret wallets, and other spots in between. The cryptosphere continues to be a source of ongoing fascination and excitement. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.